Hello, it's Onyx Food here. Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. I'll be showing you how to make oven baked chicken wings. In this bowl, I've got about 8 pieces of chicken wings. What we are going to do, we are going to start by separating the mini wings from the drumettes. Once you're done separating the drumettes from the mini wings, you can pat them dry with a paper towel, just to make sure they are as dry as possible. Now transfer the wings into a bowl. To get crispy baked chicken wings, baking powder is a trick here, so I'll go in with a tablespoon of baking powder. Make sure to use aluminum-free baking powder. Add in half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of onion powder. Onion powder adds the flavor of these baked chicken wings. And lastly, half teaspoon of paprika powder. Now mix everything together and make sure the chicken wings are nicely coated. Now we are going to marinate this for 2 hours. If you have more time, you can leave this overnight. When you're ready to bake the chicken, take it out of the fridge and transfer them onto your oven rack. Make sure to shake off the excess seasoning from the chicken wings. Now we are going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. So guys, 30 minutes into the baking time, you can just turn the chicken wings over just so that you get evenly baked and crispy chicken wings. Just know that the actual cooking time will definitely vary depending on how slim or how thick your chicken wings are. I'm going to bake this again in the oven for another 30 minutes. Just before you take your baked chicken wings out of the oven, we're going to make a simple sauce for it. In a bowl, add in a 1/4 cup of melted butter, a 1/4 cup of hot sauce. You can use any type of hot sauce of your choice. Add in a tablespoon of honey. You can also use brown sugar. And finally, add in a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for extra spiciness. Now mix the sauce and let everything combine nicely. So guys, once your chicken wings are out of the oven, you can notice they're extra crispy, and this is exactly what you want. Now transfer your baked chicken wings into a bowl. Add the sauce you've just prepared over it. This is optional. You can just enjoy it the way they are. Now gently toss this and make sure all the chicken wings are nicely coated in the sauce. Now transfer your crispy oven baked chicken wings to a dish and serve. So guys, this was how to make an easy crispy chicken wings recipe at home. I hope you loved this video. Let me know how you prepare your own chicken wings in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any video. You can also like and share this video with your friends. Until next time, I appreciate your presence here. Thank you and bye for now.